We just finished this 4.5 acre pond here in Tonganoxie, Kansas, and as you can tell, it is a massive pond. The dam is about 15 feet tall, 700 feet long, and 105 feet wide. This is going to be, I think, the most beautiful fisher's haven I think we've ever built. So we're here starting a pond project today in Tonganoxie, Kansas. This pond here is going to be 4 to 4.5 acres big. That kind of varies a little bit with how the excavation goes for the layout of the land. Right now you can see it's kind of hard to see anything down here, surrounded by piles, and eventually right here where we're standing, we're going to be about 10 to 15 feet under dirt. Well, this pond project is finally done here, and as you can tell, we're at our finished product. Basically what we've done, we've built up this entire dam about 15 feet throughout most of it, a little bit higher in others. We've tapered our slopes. In fact, the majority of this pond is 22 to 27% slope, which is going to make managing it extremely easy. We've basically put topsoil over everything, and that's going to allow for grass to grow. You can see over here to my left, that is our overflow, our emergency overflow, which is on the other side of the pond. Also see down there in the bottom of the pond that we have a lot of fish structure. One awesome part about this pond is it was for wildlife. I mean, this is going to be a fisher's haven. Once this pond fills up, it'll be 16 to 18 feet deep through most of it. It'll have a few shallow areas, it'll go into trees. It'll have so much change and environmental change throughout the entire pond that it's going to be an amazing spot for everything this customer wants to do. As far as water level goes, the entire top of dam is graded plus or minus about 1 inch to 1/2 inch from our grade. So water level along the dam is going to be 2 feet to 2.5 feet below the entire thing. It's going to wrap around all the way along that tilled dirt area, tie into those trees over there toward the middle, and then again continue into that tilled dirt area over there way in the back. And then over on the right hand side of this pond, right above the tannish color dirt, water level is going to stick right above that and tie back into the dam. And it's going to be perfect for wildlife fishing and hunting.